How to multiply two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. So here I have taken 3 examples. I think these 3 examples will help you to solve how to multiply two-digit numbers by two-digit numbers. So let's start with these 3. 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 7, 21. Now you need to multiply this 2-digit by this 5, but 5 is in tens column, so ones column will have 0. This is placeholder 0. So 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 7, 35. 5, 3. Now you need to add 0, 1, 7, 3. So this is the result. Okay, let's move on to second example. Let's start with 8. 8 times 0, 0. 8 times 5 equal to what? 40, right? 8 times 5, 40. 40. Now you need to multiply by the 3 times 0, 0. 3 is in tens column, so the product will come to the tens column. Ones column will have 0 as a place. This is called placeholder 0. Then 3 times 0, 0. 3 times 5, 15. 5, 1. Now add 0, 0. 9, 5 plus 4, 9, then 1. This is the result, right? Okay, let's do this. Start with 9. 9 times 3, 27. Write 7, carry 2. 9 times 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20. Now you need to multiply by this 9. So place holder 0. Since this 9 is in tens column, so ones column will have 0 as a placeholder. 9 times 3, 27. Write 7, carry 2. 9 times 2, 18 plus 2, 20. Now add 7, 7, 2, 2. This is the result. So this is how you can multiply two-digit number by two-digit number.